Hey guys, welcome to AI Producer School, and this is going to be the first video for this channel, and I hope you like what is coming also. I want to introduce the channel with one really nice feature that we have on an update from Suno. And right now I am on my create page, and if I go here, you can see simple and custom. Go and custom and click this one, and let's go and click on the sounds. Here in this workspace, you're going to see that I have generated already a loop. And if you have a closer look on the prompt, you're going to see that we have this information. I know what artist I want the sound to be inspired from. So if I go here on my assistant, I am using Comet, by the way, and this is a really nice browser, AI browser. And I'm going to do the same again here. I'm going to tell him, describe a song from Drake for instrumental. So I give the prompt, describe a song from Drake for instrumental. What should I use for making a beat? I don't want drums, only music. And now we are going to get a suggestion, blah, 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 blah. A lot of things, a lot of information we got here, but it is a bit too much. I'm going to say to it, okay, we have here some information that says how to phrase it in Suno, and we have the emotional Drake, blah, blah, blah. Let's go and copy it. And I'm going to work on it here a bit. Let's go and close the assistant, and I'm going to paste it. The thing is that if you go and try right now with this prompt, like I'm going to try it, but you're also going to see that it will not be able to create it because we have the name Drake. Well, what a wonder. It worked. I don't know how, but it worked. Normally, when you have the name of the artist, it doesn't work when you want to generate a song. But maybe this is because it is a sound. I don't know. Let's have a look how it sounds. Okay, we have an idea that we generate right now an R&B kind of track, and but we have the drums here. We didn't want in drums, of course. This note doesn't work always like it should. This one is a real great example of the final sound that we could go and take it. But we have already inserted some information here. Let's go and take them out. And I'm going to use the BPM here in this section. Let's go and put it on 80. And let's work here on E minor. And let's go and try it one more time. And now, by the way, we have it on one shot, but it generated a loop because we have here the information that we want. It's going to be a loop. If I go and put it now and again on the loop, let's go and play it a bit. This is chord progression. Let's go and hold this in here. Well, this is not the correct one because it is more like a Stranger Things kind of sound. Let's go and hit create one more time. And now this time we had the loop, we chose here the loop. I would just let the same prompt that we had. Let's leave it a bit more time. Let's go here. Okay, we have an idea how this prompt works. We can go again here on the assistant. And if we have a bit more information, okay, we have here the information with the 7th and the 9th extensions. What else can we go and use? Let's go and put another prompt here. Write me 5 different prompts. Okay, now let's go and try this one. Delete. Put this one here. And I'm going to, again, here we are on 80 BPM, hit the create. And now I'm going to do the same thing again with the other prompt that we got here. Let's go and delete, create again. Let's go and leave it like it is and put here on the 75. Hit the create button. Let's go and test this one here. You see now we have here the problem that we had earlier with the Drake. But if you want to overcome this problem, you can go and just delete the E, for example, or the A at the beginning, and you can leave it like this. And 90% it will recognize that it is kind of Drake style. Or what we can already do to be 100% sure, we can go and make a minus here, Drake -5, and now it should work. So let's go on here with our other prompt. But here we didn't have any Drake inside, so let's go and put here at the beginning Drake -turn okay, and let's go and put this one here also on 75. Let's go and hit create, and here one more time. Let's go and leave it again on 75 and Drake inspired. Cool. Now let's test the final one. And here again, we bring it back and put a minus in between. Okay, hit the create, close the assistant. And these are our new creations. So let's go and have a listen. Okay. I cannot imagine this track, this loop right now, to be heard on a track from a typical emotional Drake style. So let's go and put it slack here, and let's go in here on the moody hip hop. Okay, this doesn't work right now. I believe this, we can go and use this one as a J. Cole type of beat. Let's go and, yeah, on this one. Again, it's not so powerful for what we are looking for, but it is a nice loop. Okay, I can imagine this 100%, but we have here the claps, the snaps, and there's a trick how we can go and take them out, but we need to work on our studio version. Let's go here. These are really great starters. I really like this one. I can imagine this loop to be something like layered with other sounds, but not as an individual loop. Let's go and try this one here. Okay, this works more like a texture, like a kind of background noise on a bit for like a really dark vibe bit from Drake, but this one is the best. So let's also listen here again what we had earlier. Also, this one sounds really great. This is also really doable. Well, I'm not so sure about this. don't like it so much, so it's going to slide. It's a bit too much, we don't want so much movement. Okay, I can imagine this one work a little bit. And again, this one has a layered sound. And these two are the best, I think. So what we can go and do, we can go and let's choose this one here and copy the prompt. Let's go use again here the assistant. And I will write generate 3 versions of this prompt. Okay, now let's go and copy this one. I don't know why, but the assistant today doesn't really seem to work properly. Let's go and put it again here. But this time I'm not going to delete the BPM, and I'm going also to not choose any minor or major keys. You know what, let's go and refresh. Then again here we're going to choose the sounds. I'll just leave it like this. I'm going to paste the prompt that we got here. Let's go and create. Now let's go and use the second one. And now let's go and use the third one. And by the way, we had it on one shot. You can go and use the loop or the one shot. But most of the times I have seen that it doesn't really seem to matter so much. So let's go and generate one more time as a loop, just to give you this example. These are the new generations. Okay, I can imagine this. Okay, I can imagine this one working pretty well. This one also. I'm not so sure about this one, but it is, if we lay it without samples, it would be a really nice addition. Okay, it's a bit not so much in the vibe. This sounds a little bit atmospheric and more experimental, but it sounds really good. This one is really fire, seriously. This one sounds so great. I can already imagine how you can go and chop this loop and make it on your own beat. So to sum up, I really like this new addition. It is on beta, but you can go and work it with a sound with a prompt here. If you go and just tweak some things, you can have really great results. And in comparison with what Splice offers, of course, okay, Splice, it's a bit high, with much better high quality, 100%. But if you just use loops from there and download them and chop them and put so many effects, it's going to be almost the same here like this one. Because at the end of the day, it will not sound so clear like a sample from Splice. But you can go and work with this one here, and you will not have I'm almost like really sure you will never have any problems with copyright, because the samples from Splice, I have seen a lot of producers that work with Splice samples. They get a copyright strike on their tracks because it's just a sample from Splice, and some other producer somehow copyright claimed it. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.